5,060 views a day. That is what a Seedance and Suno music video walkthrough is doing on Skai Generated right now. The channel's normal upload sits 6.5 times below that. The video is 2 days old, so the number is still climbing. The comments are not about the song. They are about the mouth. People are framing the singer's lips to check whether the consonants land. They land. The stack is 2 tools. Suno writes and sings the track. Seedance 2.5 takes that audio plus 1 reference image and animates a performer whose mouth actually hits the words. Every AI music video for the past year had the same tell. Mumbling mouths, drifting faces, a singer who looked dubbed. One clip where the lips hit the lyric reads as a real production, and viewers stopped scrolling to work out how. This window is short. Lip sync moves from feature to default fast, and once every model ships it, the novelty stops carrying the view count. Call it 3 weeks of easy attention, then you compete on the song again. Step 1. Write for a 15-second hook. Suno will hand you 3 full minutes of track, and you only need 1 line a viewer can repeat out loud. Step 2. Lock the face before you animate anything. 3 reference angles of the same performer, same lighting, same wardrobe. Feed the same 3 into every shot where your singer ages between verses. Step 3. Ask for 1 camera move per shot. Push in or orbit or hold still. Request a move and a lip sync in the same prompt, and the model drops the sync to protect the move. Step 4. Cut on the beat for bars at a time. For clips of 8 seconds, beat 1 clip of 32, because every cut hides a drift you would otherwise have to fix by hand. Step 5. Mix last. Render the video against a rough bounce. Then lay the mastered audio on top in the editor. Re-rendering for a volume change costs you credits and a day. The cost is small. Suno's free tier covers the songwriting, and a finished 1-minute video runs a few dollars of Seedance credits. The expensive part is the reference sheet, and you draw that once. The real move here is shipping a performance the day a model learns to perform. Faces first, format second. Here is the number to track yourself. Take any video's views per day and divide it by that channel's median views per day. Anything over 3 means the topic is doing the work. This one hits 6.5 on a channel that rarely spikes. I run that check every week and bring back the window that is still open. Subscribe and you get the next one before it shuts.